Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hey, now that we're getting into spring, I've got another landscaping tip for you today. We all buy stuff online constantly, and we have all this cardboard, right? You're always breaking down cardboard every day from packages. Save the boxes, and here's why. You're gonna take those and you're gonna flatten them out. You're gonna lay those in your mulch beds. Cut them so they perfectly fit in there, and then throw your mulch on top of the cardboard. The cardboard is biodegradable, it'll break down, good for the environment, but more importantly, it's gonna be better than any weed barrier that you've used in a long time, okay? It is a bit of a hassle when you're planting flowers, and you have to cut through that, so I suggest any of your planting do at that time, so you don't have to mess with it later, but yeah, save your cardboard, lay it down. We're repurposing that cardboard, and it's certainly helping you out on the weed issues. All right, so hey, enjoy it, comment if you'd like, share if you'd like, and leave me a question. Be happy to get back to you. Until next Tuesday, have a great one. We'll see you.